Hi everyone, and welcome back to Meet Charles Show. I'm thrilled to have you here for another exciting video about pursuing your academic dreams in the land of opportunity, the United States. You know, we've already covered some fantastic ground together exploring fully and partially funded scholarships to make your American university aspirations a reality. But today, we're diving into a crucial tool that can significantly impact your journey, the Common Application, or as we like to call it, the Common App. If your heart is set on studying in the United States, this video is your ultimate guide. We'll break down every step of the Common App process, from creating an account to submitting your applications. So grab your favorite notebook, get ready to take some notes, and let's unlock the doors to your future together. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the Meet Charles Show. Our journey begins at the Common App website. Think of this website as your one-stop shop for applying to multiple U.S. colleges and universities. Once you're on the website, you'll need to create an account. It's a straightforward process, my friends. Just click on the Create an Account button and choose the applicant type that applies to you. Are you a first-year student fresh out of high school, or are you a transfer student looking for new horizons? Once you've selected your applicant type, you'll be prompted to provide some basic information about yourself. This includes your name, email address, date of birth, and a secure password to keep your account safe. Think of this as building the foundation of your application journey. With your account created, you're well on your way to conquering the Common App. Now that you have your very own Common App account, it's time to start exploring the vast landscape of U.S. colleges and universities. This is where the excitement really begins. The Common App website has a fantastic tool called College Search. It's like having a digital compass guiding you toward your dream schools. Type in the names of colleges you're interested in, browse through their profiles, and when you find a college that makes your heart skip a beat, simply click on the plus add button to add it to your application list. Remember, my friends, each college has its own unique personality and requirements. Some colleges might require additional essays or have specific application deadlines. It's crucial to visit each college's website and thoroughly review their individual application instructions. Consider it a treasure hunt, where uncovering the details is key to a successful application. The heart and soul of your Common App lie in its various sections. This is where you get to showcase your unique story, your accomplishments, and your aspirations. The Common App sections are thoughtfully designed to provide colleges with a holistic understanding of who you are. You'll find sections dedicated to your profile, your family background, your educational journey, standardized test scores, extracurricular activities, and of course the all-important essays. As you fill out each section, remember to be authentic, genuine, and let your personality shine through. Highlight experiences that demonstrate your leadership skills, your commitment to your community, and your passion for learning. This is your chance to paint a vivid picture of the incredible individual you are. Chapter 4. Add Recommenders and FERPA Waiver. Recommendation letters are like golden tickets. They provide colleges with valuable insights into your character and abilities from the perspective of those who know you well. The Common App allows you to invite teachers, counselors, or other mentors who can speak to your strengths and potential. When choosing your recommenders, select individuals who have witnessed your growth, your work ethic, and your positive contributions. Additionally, you'll encounter the FERPA Waiver. FERPA stands for the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act. Waiving your FERPA rights allows colleges to access your recommendation letters and gives them the assurance that your recommenders can speak freely and honestly about your qualifications. Chapter 5. Complete college-specific questions. While the Common App streamlines the application process, each college has its own unique flavor and areas of interest. This is where college-specific questions come into play. Some colleges might ask for supplemental essays, while others might have specific questions tailored to their programs or values. Embrace these questions as opportunities to delve deeper into your interests and showcase your enthusiasm for the specific college. Remember, personalization is key. Tailor your responses to align with each college's mission, values, and program offerings. Let your genuine interest and passion shine through in your answers. Chapter 6. Apply for scholarships via Common App. The pursuit of higher education often goes hand in hand with exploring financial aid options. The good news is that the Common App can also be your gateway to discovering and applying for scholarships. Some colleges automatically consider you for merit-based scholarships based on your application materials. Others might have links to the CSS profile or institutional scholarship portals. Be sure to check each school's financial aid or scholarship section on their website to explore all available opportunities. Remember, every bit of financial assistance counts and can help make your dream of studying in the U.S. more affordable. We understand that application fees can sometimes pose a financial barrier. If you're unable to afford the application fees, don't worry. The Common App provides an option to request a fee waiver. Your counselor will need to approve your fee waiver request, so reach out to them early in the process. Many colleges also offer fee waivers automatically through the Common App. Be sure to check each college's website or contact their admissions office to inquire about fee waiver policies. Don't let financial constraints hinder your application journey. Take a deep breath, my friends, because you're almost at the finish line. Before hitting that submit button, it's crucial to review every single section of your Common App meticulously. Check for any typos, grammatical errors, or inconsistencies in your information. Ask a trusted friend, teacher, or counselor to review your application as well. A fresh pair of eyes can catch things you might have missed. Once you're confident that your application is in tip-top shape, it's time to pay the application fee, if applicable, and submit your applications individually to each college. Remember, each college has its own submission deadline, so double-check those dates and submit your applications well in advance. Congratulations on submitting your Common App applications. Now comes the waiting game, but it's not a time to be idle. Keep a close eye on your email inbox and college portals for updates on your application status. Colleges might request additional documents such as official transcripts or test scores. If you need to submit any additional materials, do so promptly and directly to the college's admissions office. Remember, proactive communication demonstrates your interest and enthusiasm. And there you have it, my friends. We've reached the end of our Common App adventure. I hope these tips and insights empower you to navigate the application process with confidence and clarity. Remember, the journey to studying in the United States is filled with incredible opportunities, and the Common App is your trusted companion along the way. I encourage you to explore this opportunity, take that first step toward your future, and watch your dreams unfold. The world of U.S. higher education awaits you with open arms. As always, thank you for joining me on the Meet Charles Show. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and tap the notification bell so you never miss our exciting content. Your support means the world to us. Until next time, keep dreaming big and reaching for the stars.